if you never listen to anything else that I tell you, I need you to remember that you never accept verbal apologies for a second chance. Okay, let me tell you why. 8 times out of 10, if a ninja is apologizing to you, it's because of something that he did, right? And when they come back, 8 times out of 10, they're going to exhibit the same behaviors. A person can only do what they are. So if this is who they are, which is why they showed you who they were in the first place, 8 times out of 10, they're going to do the same shit. With that said, you're going to be so mad at yourself for allowing the fuckery again, okay? But in order to soothe that ego a little bit, because that's really what it is the ego and, the feeling of self-betrayal, never accept a verbal apology for a second chance. If you're accepting an apology because that means that they offended you, insulted you, emotionally or verbally abused you, they did something that was not right, okay? You only accept their offer for a second chance with a re-entry fee. Okay? I like my re-entry fees to be about $250 because you hurt my feelings. And your apology is not gonna make me feel better. So it's just some words. I'm good on the words, okay? You can set your re-entry fee at whatever you want. So that's one thing that you can accept. A gift of value. So jewelry, none of these flowers die. It's like it never happened, okay? Cards and paper, let's save the planet. So jewelry is good, or something that you really want, like an experience. I don't know, an experience that you couldn't make for yourself. Whatever it is, make sure that it's something that you actually want and that will be long lasting, because the memory that they gave you of being insulted or hurting your feelings is going to be stuck in your mind. It's long lasting. It's called making recompense, is what it's called. It's like getting into a car accident and the person that hit your car just hops out and says, "I'm sorry." So if he wants a second chance, he's going to have to make recompense for what he did previously. But I say again, whatever you do, and you out here in these dating streets with these men, because men are a particular type of creature. They just operate a certain way. So I'm telling you, in order to protect yourself and to save you having to forgive yourself and being mad at yourself and all that other stuff, never accept a verbal apology for a second chance. You're welcome. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe for more. And don't forget to visit www.GodstyleBilal.com in order to leave me a gift or tip. I love you so very much. Mwah. Have a great day.